In today's video, I'm going to teach you a strategy that I use every single day right before the New York Stock Exchange open. It has made me profitable on my real live account, on my funded accounts, and taken payouts from prop firms. This is something that you could easily apply to the markets. It's very basic, very simple. Now, if you are brand new to trading, this is not going to be 100% proof. This isn't going to work every single time. But if you have experience in trading, you know that there's no such thing. No strategy works every single time. Losses are part of it, but this is a good strategy that, like I said, has made me profitable and is something that you can do as well. And I'm going to teach you right now. So this isn't going to be a long video at all. I don't want you to get so much information where you get confused by this. And there's a lot of videos that I see out there where people just will go on and on and on, and you can get confused, you can get lost. So this is going to be very simple. So step one, this is what I'm looking at right before the New York Stock Exchange opens. If you've watched my previous videos, you know that this is what I do every single time. If you are new here, my time, it's 8:25 a.m. That's the time zone that I'm in right before the New York Stock Exchange opens. So this is what I'm looking at right here. I'm on the 5-minute time frame, and I'm trading NASDAQ NQ futures. So what I'm looking for is very basic support and resistance zones. So right here, I see this resistance that was created. Price was coming up, failed to break, came back down. So I'm marking this off. This is a very minor area of resistance. And then for support, I'm looking down here. I see this resistance. I see that it tried to break here multiple times, finally broke. Now it becomes a support. And then I also see, very obvious, this right here as well. So this is my mindset. I've drawn up my zones. I'm also using a pivot point indicator, which is basically a support and resistance zone as well. So this is my idea. If price, right when the market opens, if price breaks above here, breaks the previous high, I'm looking to take, I'm going to have a tight stop loss right under the zone. I'm looking to have my take profit at this pivot point right here. Now, if you watch my videos, you'll know that I always put my take profit at the first pivot point. That's what I look at. This right here, it's very close. So I really expect the markets to move a little bit more than that. So I'm going to set my take profit to this one. Now, as I'm trading live, this is why I think it's very important to be watching the markets. Don't just place a trade and then walk away and don't ever look at it. If price was to get here, then I would be paying attention. I would be monitoring the trade, going break even, maybe taking something off the table, however you want to manage it. And then this right here, short position, price breaks under this one right here. If price breaks this low, I'm looking to take it to this next pivot right here, keeping a tight stop loss. And I've developed my range here where if price stays in here, I'm not going to be trading it. I'm waiting for that breakout. So let's see what happens as soon as that market opens. So you see that we've got this opening candle, nothing much happening right here. And then as you can see right here, we broke this previous high. So I'm in the trade right now. So as soon as we're in, let's take a look and see what happens. Boom, we hit that first pivot. Let's continue. So we're moving up, coming back down. And this is the beautiful thing. If you don't use pivot points, how price comes to this pivot point, breaks it, and comes back and perfectly retests that pivot point. And then now look what happens. It's just going to continue to that next pivot point, and then your full take profit would be hit, and then you'd be done for the day. Thank you so much for watching another Trader Studio video. If you have any questions, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We are going to be opening up our Discord at 1,000 subscribers. That's the goal. That's our 2025 New Year resolution, I guess, if you want to call it. So if you want to be a part of our Discord community, we're working on the Discord. We're trying to grow it. We want to make sure that it's different from other Discord communities. We want it to be professional. We want this Discord to be full of people that are also trying to succeed in this. Someone that's just not trying to take a shortcut. It's not going to be a signal group, if you want to call it that. It's just going to be traders that are in there trading. You're going to be around other people that also trade. And yes, there is going to be a subscription to this Discord. We don't know what it's going to be as of right now. And the reason why there's going to be a subscription is because if the Discord was just free, it would just be filled. And I've been a part of so many free Discords, and it's not professional. It doesn't work. It's just not something that you really want to be a part of. You want to be a part of something where people are actually taking it serious. They're investing in their education. They want to be around other people. And that's why there's going to be a fee. Now, it's not going to be too crazy expensive, but it's also not going to be something that is going to just attract a lot of people that don't really care. and are just here for a signal. So that's just in the mindset. That's our goal, 2025. Like I said, New Year's resolution, if you want to call it that. We're going to open up the Discord at 1,000 subscribers. So if you want that, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys next time.